already know we gotta floss a little bit, bro. Oh, let's go. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. As you see, we got the Supermoto behind me, my DRZ 400. And today, we are gonna unretire this bike. I haven't rode this thing in over a year now, pretty much. Probably exactly around a year. I need a jump starter because, as you can see, we got no power. So yeah, today we're gonna jump start the DRZ, hop on her, go for a little shred around town, and just give you guys some good old MotoBroo vibes on the Supermoto, just vibing around in traffic. So let's get it. I mean, bro, just look at the DRZ. I see you guys comments, you're like, bro, bring the Supermoto back. Here it is, this is the video. Let's get it. We need some jumper cables. To be honest, bro, I have never jumped my DRZ, so I don't even know if this will work. It might blow up. We got one of them set. Let's see. Ooh! We got spark! If everything goes to plan. So this is my setup, as you can see. It's a little sketchy, but she gets it done. Oh my God. She's alive. I need to put the choke on, bro. How do I put the choke on? The moment of truth. Bro, y'all hear how slow it's starting? She's alive! I don't know if y'all understand. It's been over a year since this bike has started. I'm gonna let her warm up a little, and hopefully she don't stall out and I won't have to jump it again, but hopefully she'll just start right back up. Wish me luck. Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I have missed this bike. It feels good just to have this bike running again. Like I said, it's been a year since I rode it. And last time I rode it was when I was in New York, bro, when I did that whole New York trip. But yeah, she's back alive. Let's put on the helmet and let's head into the streets. And yeah, we're just gonna vibe out, bro. Hopefully this thing will start, bro. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, traffic, bro. Yeah, so we're back on the DRZ, bro. Holy, it always feels magnificent, bro, being back on this bike. Like, I just got so many memories. I did a whole Euro trip on this bike. Woo! Yeah, we're outside, bro. Oh my God, first little wheel skate. I ain't gonna lie though, for like not being on the bike for a year, the bike is dialed. Like, it feels pretty damn good. You already know we gotta floss a little bit, bro. Oh, let's go. Hey, check out my YouTube. Check out my YouTube, bro. Let's put a little whiskey back here, man. I forgot how much engine brake the DRZ has, bro. I forget how much, like, different these Supermotos ride compared to a dirt bike. Like, the engine brake on here is pretty heavy. I forgot about that. It almost reminds me of like a little 450. No! Dude, I'm stuck. No! I stalled, bro. Alright, we're gonna try to bump start her because she's warm. Ah. Oh, it worked! It worked. Oh my god, I'm out of breath now. Bro, I really thought I was gonna have to find a goddamn car to start my bro. See, that's why I gotta be sort of careful, bro, because my bike stalls up. Like if there's a sketchy situation, if you catch my drift. Bro, you really gotta be paying attention, bro. You gotta be on point. That's why I noticed, like, you really can't be slabbing dabbing, you know? What the going on there, you feel me? You see what I'm saying, bro? We in the trap now, bro. We in the trap. Yeah, I can't do that. There's one thing I can't do, and that is just sit, bro. I got lane split to the front, bro. That's the one thing that I miss about California is lane splitting, bro. Like, I don't know why it's not legal in Florida. Like, it should be, because it's so goddamn hot. Like, just sitting at a light, and some of these lights take like 5 to 10 minutes, bro. And you literally, you got a heat stroke by then, you feel me? Look at that Beamer. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Those Beamers with the wings, I like the coupes better, but it's pretty fire. Woo! You already know we're out here, boy. Let's go. Yo, I miss, bro, like these street vibes, bro. I just know, like, alright, a lot of you guys ask, like, MotoBroo, why don't you make as many videos on the street and stuff? I know after your crash, like, you sort of, you know, calm down a bit. Being in the street, don't get me wrong, it is so goddamn fun, bro. Like, I love it. I love just interacting with people, you know, pulling wheel skis. But it's just that risk. I try to minimize the risk to an extent, you know? Like, I ain't gonna be out here every day how I used to be, shredding around. Like, that just can't happen, you feel me? No, sir. You see what I'm saying? To merge all the way from the left lane to the right lane, right next to you. Florida is just sketchy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to stay motivated. I freaking love you. The DRZ's back. We're gonna go on some more adventures on this thing for sure. So stay tuned. Let me know if you have any video recommendations. And yeah, I love you. Merch in the description down below. Till next time. Peace.